Well done for making it to the last video in the Learning CSS section of this course. We're just going to look at a few special selectors that we can use to control links and the way that they appear, and then we'll get on with the project for the CSS bit of the course. Okay, so let's get rid of this content that we have here and just have a simple link that will link to Google.com. Okay, great. So let's just check that. Fantastic. While we're here, I'll show you an easy way to get a link to open in a new tab, which will be useful for this part. All we do is add an attribute to the link, which is target equals _blank. Let's have a look at that and see what effect that has. Google now opens up in a new tag, so that's quite nice if you've got some links on your website that you want to link to somewhere else that isn't within your website. It can be nice to open that in a new tab. Right, you'll notice that this link is actually purple. That's because I've been to the Google homepage before, and my browser knows that, and so it has given that link a particular property, particular color according to that. So if you want to control what that color is going to be, then you use the colon selector there. So we've got A selects every link in the document, and visited means that we've actually been to that link. So if I want all visited links to have a color of green, I can do that, and that link has now gone green. So if I can think of a website that I haven't been to before, I probably haven't been to google.se. Okay, so that link now comes up as blue, which is the normal link color. If I then click on that and I go back and look at it, it's now green because I've visited that link. So that's how you style a link that shows that the user has been somewhere. You can also style the hover color, let's say, of a link. Or let's just do something interesting. Let's make it a font size of 50 pixels. If I refresh that, then that's quite nice. As soon as I hover over one of those links, they become much bigger. Of course, you can choose any styling you like for that. A different color as usual, but you can change the font size, you could change the font decoration, anything you liked. Okay, again, there's a link for a bit more information of other things you can do with links, but those are the most two common things that we want to style. So without further ado, let's get on with the project for the CSS section of the course.